Thanks for joining our 5 Sun Salutations. So let's get started. Standing in mountain pose, really standing tall. Grounding through your feet. Maybe your big toes touch. Maybe they're just slightly parallel, the feet. Drawing in the abdomen. So really trying to keep our abdomen, our power center, strong and tight. Inhale, lifting arms up overhead. Reaching, looking up towards the ceiling, and now exhale, forward fold, bending the knees as we forward fold down. Inhale, come up halfway, look forward. And now we're going to do something a little different. We're going to step the right foot back, drop the right knee down, and lifting the arms up into a low lunge. So you might feel a strong stretch in the front of the thigh. Okay, placing the hands forward. Stepping back into planks now. And now we're going to lower down, chaturanga. So our low plank is also called chaturanga. Keep the abdomen tight. Inhale, lifting forward into our cobra. And then come back down. Inhale, lift into cobra. Or we can come into our upward facing dog. Your choice, or we can stay in cobra. Moving our feet to step into our downward dog. So bending the knees, pushing the tailbone up. Downward dog. Breathing. And now we're going to step our right foot forward. Drop left knee down. Lifting arms up overhead. Our low lunge, crescent. Hands come back down. Step forward. Come up halfway. Fingertips, and exhaling, full forward fold. Head comes down to knees. Inhale, rising, standing. Reaching the arms up. Exhale, forward fold again. So we're flowing into our second sun salutation. Head comes down to knees. So inhale, rise up halfway. Then now we step the left leg back. Drop left knee down. So that you can keep the foot tucked under. Lifting up into our low lunge crescent. Hands come forward now, frame the foot. Step into plank. Lower down. Low plank. So trying to hug the elbows into the side. You can also do this on the knees. Inhaling, lifting chest forward. Coming up into cobra or up dog, tops of the feet on the floor. And exhaling into down dog. So we're bending the knees as we come into down dog. Now we can drive the heels down with the head, dropping the head, breathing. On your next inhale, step left foot forward, drop the right knee down, lifting up into our low lunge crescent. And now hands come down, frame the foot, step forward, come up to fingertips, and then exhale, full forward fold. So bending the knees, hands come down all the way to the floor, so pushing on the floor, keeping the knees bent. Inhale, standing, opening up arms out to side, reaching upward. We're flowing into our third sun salutation, so flowing back, forward, down to the floor. Inhale, come up halfway, look forward. Stepping right foot back, dropping right knee, keeping that back toe tucked under, lifting up into our low lunge crescent, really reaching, maybe a little back bend, and hands come back down, framing that foot, step into plank, tighten our abdomen, push our heels away, lowering down. So you can also do the knees, this is what it looks like on the knees. Bringing the arms tight to the side of the body, trying to keep the bottom lifted, lower down. Inhaling, tops of the feet on the floor now, lifting into cobra or up dog. And exhaling, flipping the feet, coming into down dog. So in down dog, really trying to fan out the fingers, pushing the hands onto the mat. Let the head drop down, so we're releasing the head, trying to ensure that the shoulders aren't really tight against the ears, so pushing onto the hands. Maybe bending the back legs a little bit, or the legs. Okay, on your next inhale, look forward, stepping the right foot forward, dropping left knee down, lifting up into our low lunge crescent. Maybe a little back bend, so reaching back a little more, And now hands coming down, frame that foot, step both feet to the front. Come up halfway, so straighten our legs, and then bend the knees for full forward fold. Inhale, standing, so arms are coming out to the side, reaching up. Flowing into our fourth Sun Salutation. Hands come down to the floor, head to knees. Inhale, rise up halfway, so straighten legs up forward. Placing hands down, step left leg back. Left knee comes to the ground. Lifting up into our low lunge crescent. Breathing in. Little back bend, a little more. So we're balancing ourselves, so as we go back, it's a little bit harder, so pushing that right front toe into the mat. So it'll help stabilize. Okay, hands come down to the floor. Step into plank. So trying to keep the bottom lifted a little bit. Push the heels away and slowly lower down. Tighten abdomen. Coming down. Okay, inhale. Tops of the feet on the floor, lifting into cobra or straighten arms for up dog. And exhaling. Rolling feet over, bending the knees. Walking the feet forward a little bit, if you'd like, into down dog. Releasing the neck. And we're trying to pull the chest close to the knees. Lengthening through the spine, pushing the tailbone upward. Breathing. Taking a couple deep, long breaths. And on your next inhale, looking forward, stepping left foot forward, dropping right knee down to the floor. Lifting up into our low lunge crescent. Remembering that front foot is pushing into the mat, keeping us stable as we lift backwards. Okay, hands come down, framing that footstep. The right foot forward, coming up to fingertips. And exhale, full forward fold. Let the head drop down. Inhale, standing to rise. Arms out to side, reaching. Hands together, and we're flowing into our fifth Sun Salutation. So coming all the way down. Good. Hands come to mat, head to knees. Inhale, straighten legs, half forward fold. So lifting, flat back, look forward. Stepping right foot back. Dropping right knee. Again, keeping that front foot grounded, lifting into our high lunge crescent. Bending backward a little more. We're also using the back leg to stabilize us, so the pushing the back ball of the foot into the mat. So a little back bend, looking through the hands, or just looking up. Just being careful of the back of the neck, lengthening through the spine. Hands come down, frame the foot. Step into plank. Pushing the heels away, push the mat away, tight abdomen, lower down. Chaturanga, low plank. Inhale, reaching chest forward, coming into our cobra or up dog, straightening arms. Exhaling into down dog. So just pedaling those feet, moving the hips, trying to get the whole body warmed up. Releasing the neck. Lifting the tailbone, maybe lifting the heels, driving heels down. On your next inhale, look forward. Step right foot forward, drop left heel down, or left knee. Left knee down on the floor, lifting up arms into our low lunge crescent, turning that to a little bit of a back bend, so maybe bending back a little more. So using the feet to be grounded. Reaching, breathing. Okay, hands come back down to frame the foot, step forward. So in our half forward fold, so legs are straight, looking forward, flat back. And now coming to our full forward fold, so bending knees, hands come down to the floor. Inhale, standing. Opening up the body, reaching upward. Really full body stretch, reaching, looking up at the hands. And now exhaling back to center. Thank you so much for joining. It's just fun to throw a few variations in, especially if you are really doing the 5 Sun Salutations a day. Maybe it's just fun to learn new poses. It's fun to just mix it up a bit. If you can make it a part of your daily routine, that's really great as well. And just kind of try to spice it up a little bit. Okay, thanks for joining. Hope to see you tomorrow.